Dumpster rental service in Cheshire, Connecticut. If you need a reliable dumpster rental service in Cheshire, Connecticut, the Good Guys Dumpster Rental LLC is here to help. We make waste removal easy and affordable for homeowners, businesses, and contractors. Whether you're cleaning out a garage, renovating a home, or managing a construction project, we have the right dumpster for you. Our rental process is simple. Call us, select a dumpster size, and we'll deliver it promptly. We offer a variety of sizes to ensure the perfect fit for any project, big or small. Our dumpsters suit household junk, yard waste, and construction debris. At the Good Guys Dumpster Rental LLC, we prioritize timely deliveries and pickups so your project stays on schedule. We also offer flexible rental periods to fit your short-term or long-term needs. With transparent pricing and no hidden fees, you always know what to expect. We work with contractors, property managers, and business owners to provide efficient waste solutions. Need help choosing the right dumpster? Our friendly team is happy to assist. Call us at 203-500-9635 to schedule your rental. Let us handle your waste removal so you can focus on your project, stress-free.